There's no off-season.
It's not easy.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
EcoCar is a 3-year competition in which 16 North American college teams were challenged to improve the emissions and fuel economy of a GM SUV while retaining all of its utility, safety, and performance. Teams were allowed to select their own drivetrain architectures, and chosen technologies included full electrics, plug-in hybrids, fuel cells, and extended-range electric vehicles. After a year of modeling and simulation, teams were given their vehicles for year 2 and began implementing their designs. But the students also had to think real world in terms of packaging their components, fit and finish, drivability, and consumer acceptance. Headline sponsor General Motors provided the vehicles as well as mentoring support for each team, and allowed the competition to mimic its global vehicle design process by which GM develops its own prototype vehicles. They also hosted all 16 teams for this year's finals at their Milford Proving Grounds near Detroit.
We've actually hired over 100 students out of this program over the last 6 years. They're now working for us in the Chevrolet Volt or our e-assist systems or our fuel cell programs right out of school.
Other sponsors donated technical support and the advanced hardware such as battery packs, generators, and control systems needed to make their designs a reality. No two cars turned out alike, and many innovative ideas for battery packs, emission treatment, and engine controls have evolved from the competition. The U.S. Department of Energy pitched in their own expertise and organizational muscle, with engineers from the Argonne National Lab overseeing the competition and utilizing their well-to-wheels analysis model to assess each team's environmental impact. Year 3 of the competition is when teams must show full component integration in a near production-ready vehicle. And seeing the level of growth in every team has been eye-opening for us. No matter what their results, the benefit for the students in terms of knowledge and expertise has been incredible.
Our key objective in this competition is to have 16 running vehicles. That's why we're here, so that they can show off their technology. So our real challenge is making sure that we can maximize our resources and our people and our time and provide the best experience for these teams who have put so much into it.
After a grueling 2 weeks of testing and presentations, Virginia Tech claimed top honors for 2011. Their E85 extended-range electric vehicle improved fuel economy by over 70% to 81.9 miles per gasoline gallon equivalent. Congratulations also go to the Ohio State University for second place with another E85 ER-EV, and the University of Waterloo in third position with an ambitious and fully functioning hydrogen fuel cell plug-in hybrid. Energy Secretary Stephen Chu welcomed the teams to DOE headquarters in Washington for a well-deserved finish line rally and marveled at the level of engineering ingenuity displayed by the student teams.
This is what it's all about. It's about training the next generation of engineers that would keep the competitiveness in the automobile industry in the United States and so we can remain leaders in this area.
But the EcoCar Challenge doesn't end here. EcoCar 2 will kick off this fall with the 2013 Chevrolet Malibu serving as the palette for a new slate of teams to demonstrate their engineering artistry.